Hey, what is up guys? It's Lexter here, and today I'm gonna be doing another video. Now, today is gonna be a pretty interesting video, something I've never done, on this channel. So basically, I don't have any video ideas. So, for this video, I'm gonna be giving you guys 50 video ideas. Now, I'm gonna try to do it in less than 5 minutes. If I do it in less 2 minutes or in less 3 minutes, then that's the title. You can see on the title right now. But basically, I'm gonna be giving you guys video ideas. And if you're asking yourself right now, why do you not have video ideas and then you're giving us video ideas? Well, that's because I live in an apartment and there's some things that I can't do. Like a pool video, I can't do that in an apartment. Guys, I'm gonna stop talking and I'm gonna set the timer, starting timer in 3, 2, 1. Okay, number 1, do an introduction. Number 2, create opinion videos. Number 3, review a product. Number 4, interview someone. Number 5, respond to someone's opinion video. Number 6, give tutorials. Number 7, have a Q&A session. Number 8, review a book. Number 9, review a movie. Number 10, react to a trending video. Number 11, create a parody video. Number 12, host a giveaway contest. Number 13, participate in a challenge. Number 14, give a studio or just a room tour. Number 15, show off your collections. Number 16, what's on my phone. That's a good video. Number 17, what's in my bag. Number 18, a day in the life of. That's a good one. 19, create a comedy short. 20, make a list videos. See that? Smart. Oh shit, I need to hurry this up. Number 21, record your first impression. Number 22, discuss your career. Number 23, discuss your hobbies. Number 24, do a 30-day challenge. I might do that. Number 25, do a throwback. I've done that. Number 25, create a mythical busting video. That sounds a little wrong. Number 27, the history of. Number 28, discuss Nietzsche relevant news. Number 29, compare two products. Number 30, preview a product. Number 31, provide little known tricks. Number 32, create animated explainer videos. Number 33, do something, I don't know what that word is. Outrageous. Oh. Number 34, document your interesting experience. Number 35, create in-game skits. That's a good one. Discuss trending rumors. Create comment. I'm gonna stop saying the numbers. So create comedic dubs. Give a tour of your city. Turn your personal experience into an introduction video. No, an education video. The benefits of. Create skit of relatable situations. How to overcome a challenge. Get your viewers to challenge you. Ooh, that's a good one. Try unusual foods for the very first time. Attempt to follow instruction videos. Create a fail compilation. Record an unboxing. Invite a guest. Do a live stream and build a crowdsource idea. That was really hard for me. As you can see, I cannot read good, so under 3 minutes. So those were some good ideas, bro. Honestly, I might do that. I might do some of these video ideas because, I never thought of any of these video ideas. Like, they're interesting as hell. So I recommend you should take these tips, as a YouTuber. Not really. I recommend do these videos if you're gonna be, doing videos, interesting to make. And so that was 50 video ideas in less than 3 minutes. So guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys can go in the comments and maybe help others and put video ideas down there too for others that are watching this right now. This could really help out a lot of people. This could help me out. This could help you out. You know what I'm saying? So this video was really fun to do. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was interesting. I might do some of these video ideas. Those were 50 video ideas. So I'll see you guys in the next one, and maybe with one of these videos will be my next video. So peace.